Hey guys, taking care of Grandma for the next few days and went ahead and got her this safety rail and did 2 videos earlier showing you all the ins and outs of it. We kind of wanted to give you a high and low kind of from what I've seen after putting it together. The last couple videos I also forgot to include this organizer, which is probably the best part about it. It Velcros at the bottom so you can move it all over the place or use it for something else. This piece right here, this arm goes underneath the bed and allows it to stabilize so you can put pressure on it, and so Nana's not gonna fall off and get hurt. Some good well developed pieces here. This is these teeth right here. We'll open it up so you can kind of fold it or you can store it with ease. It took me about 15 minutes to put this together. So it doesn't come pre-assembled, so you just gotta follow directions. It's literally just 3 steps. And honestly, I was watching a TV show while I was doing it, so I probably could have done it in 5. But overall, really well made, great product. We're gonna have to use this in our guest bed and then also potentially in the bathroom. There's a bunch of different functions that you can use this for. So hope this video helps.